You guys should join. Please join. I don't know what is good. This is some of those reasons I don't like doing live program. You'll be on your program before you know it's the phone. I don't know. Join, please. Let's continue. Every day, they call it ranting. What we are doing, they call it ranting. What Mariam Justice is doing, they call it ranting. It's not ranting. Join. Invite people, please. I need to address this once and for all. Call me anything you want to call me. Come to your program and be airing my videos, whatever you want to say. It's not a new thing to me. But like I'm on this fight, we will see the end of it. Join, please share. Like you guys were not sharing this. A lot to say. You guys were not sharing the first program that ended. Share this, please. Share this. Invite people. Invite people. You saw this 2 years ago. Yes, this is it going on now. Since they don't want to rest, they don't want to stop. Share this. Invite people. I want good audience here before I keep talking. Share. If you guys are not sharing, I will still end it. I will end it and move. Share, invite people. I need audience. You guys know I don't like coming on live programs. So whenever I'm here, I want people to be here so they can hear my voice. Share, please. Share, invite people. Share, invite people. So I don't feel like I'm wasting my time here. You guys know I'm not a fan of live program. So whenever you see me on live program, you should know that yes, I really want to talk to people one-on-one, not just to make a video and drop. There is a lot going on in this country. Share this program. How many of you people have used your platform to talk about the detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? How many of you people? How many of you people have used your platform to agitate? How many of you people have used your platform to call upon the government to release this young man? How many of you? But you on your camera at your comfort zone just to bully people, just to label people fake news, fake information, just to destroy one another. How many of you have used your platform to say that yes, let's use this platform and solicit for Nigerian kids? Even if you don't want to do it Nigeria as a whole, do it for your state. Let's gather money. Let's feed the less privileged. Let's gather money. Let's help people on the streets. How many of you are doing that? If you don't know what to use your platform to do, I am teaching you what you can do with your platforms. How many of you are doing this? How many of you are talking about our boys that are being killed on daily basis? How many of you are talking about our children, our youth that have been that are perishing in detention? How many of you? How many of you are talking about those people that they will jail them for no reason? How many of you are using your platform to talk about this? There are many people on a waiting trial. They've not even tried their case. When you go to police station or you go to court or you go to prison, you know that there is a lot happening in this country. How many of you have ever sent messages? Okay, go to so prison. Go and check. How many people on detention, awaiting trial, that they've not even gone to court, but many of them have stayed there for 5 years. I have a cousin that this thing happened to him. My own cousin, until we stood firm. How many of you? All you people do is to sit at your comfort zone. Do you people know what others are going through in this country? How many of you have used your platform to talk about this? I will be here using my hard-earned money, just like this last feeding. I spent almost 600,000 to feed almost 800 people. The food you're giving them at that moment is very much important to them. Some of them have, maybe for the whole day, they've not even gotten anything to eat. And some people will still come and say, oh, they share your rice, oh, they share your rice. Of course. Why wouldn't I share rice? They share food. We grew up to see it. My house, same thing. Ask about me in my village. Omerora. Here, a big man really, na bemka, a poor person Gary. I don't say because you're this dignitary, you're this official person, you come to my home. What you eat is what everyone will eat. Go and ask, go to Igbo or Igbo and ask questions, they will tell you. How many of you, okay, you gather money, you will help people one way or the other. Use your platform and talk. I saw so many of our celebrities and even Mr. Pitobi, people that came out to say free dark man, free very, very dark man. How many of you, how many of these our celebrities have stood and said free Namo can even for no reason, at least for being an Igbo person like them? Even if they feel there is something that that young man is doing that they don't like, or they don't want to get, all this thing is happening. I don't want to get myself involved because they say he did this, they say he did that. He did. Were you there to know even if he sent them to go and do, or he did not? But everybody is running, everybody is dodging. I don't want to get myself involved. I don't want anything that will jeopardize my business in Nigeria. It's not done like that. I mean, this same Nigeria, I stood up. I stand for you and I. Just because of what? This blood, one blood, this Igbo blood. It's not for any reason. Just because of that blood. How many of you did it? Just because of that blood. I did not say, yes, I got married to another now. I reside in the north. I did it just because of the blood. I did not do it because Mazin Namo Dekano is the most perfect person or he is not the most perfect person. No. I did it because of that blood. So how many of you are using your time to do these things? I know when I stood firm in this country, telling the government, especially on Buhari's regime, telling the government that this is it. Less privilege and suffering. Common man, common citizens in this country, they are doing like this before they will eat. How much is minimum wage in this country? How much are they paying them? You see somebody, a graduate, they will be paying you 30,000 naira. Inside 30,000 naira, you will transport yourself. Inside 30,000 naira, you will eat. Inside 30,000 naira, maybe if you have children, you will still buy food for them. That's why the less privileged, the common citizens of the Western world, they are far better than the ones in Nigeria. Why I said this is because most of the time, their government pay them money one way or the other. But in this country, nobody is paying anybody money. That is the difference. That is the two difference. Nobody is paying anybody money. Since I grew up in this country, I think when we were kids, they used to, excuse me, there was some time my mother would say, okay, we're going for meeting, like the government send rice to the women, something like that. They would go and share the rice. We used to, even rice and milk. I think Shagari time, yes, we were all kids. We would be running, jumping, hey, because you see a lot of people. But this time around, I don't see such things again. If you see such things happen, people are sharing for these individual people. Individual people are sharing, helping the less privileged. But since I grew up, like apart from that age, I noticed something like that. From this my adult age, I've never seen where they'll say, okay, every month come and collect free money in Nigeria. So people are going through a lot of things. Use your platform and talk about this to the government. I have done that in this country several years. People knows it. The government know. A lot of people knows about this. Instead of using your platform to be talking about people, playing people's voice notes, I will sue you. And international police will get you arrested once you are in Nigeria, so that we will go to court because you are an international citizen. Call it a threat. It's not a threat. You have your right to be at your comfort zone, to call me names. I have the right to tell you that yes, police will come in between you and I. I know a lot of you here are talking nonsense. Ignorance. Ignorance is a disease. Ignorance is the first thing that will bring anybody down. When you're ignorant of so many things. When you don't watch before you speak. When you don't think before you err. When you don't sit down and compose yourself before you talk. When you sit down here, you will be judging cases. You can't judge any case on social media. You can't debate any case on social media. I was watching people ranting. This I will say, this is how this case will be. This I will say, this is how that case will be. Only the judges will judge, not you. Many of you will be like, they are praising you on social media. You'll be doing more. And when the problem comes, none of them will be here to help. Share this program, please. It's been long. I've never made a program like this. Like from the years I stopped talking about government, I stopped agitating for Biafra referendum. That's other person in me. I kept it to one side. To be this 360 Mariam, you guys are seeing now. Yes, you guys call it 360. Yes, I've done all this in the past. I've done my best. If they talk about me in this country, they will be like, yes, she has stood before to fight for the less privilege of this country. If they talk about me in the Igbo land, she has stood before to fight with her brothers. My brothers say they want to go. They want to be on their own. I did the fight with them. Free them. Since they want to go, let them go. You guys should stop commenting nonsense on my platform. Whatever thing you want to say, say it. Even if I get myself involved on one thing or the other, I am here for this. Put it at the back of your mind. If I'm not here, do you think Ogechi will be where she is today? With the Interpol? I took her case there. I took her case there. And today she's there. Let her answer whatever things we say that she did. And other people are saying that she did to them. If she's guilty, fine. If she's not guilty, fine. Only the judge will decide, and the law and her evidence. So the same thing with you guys that are here talking nonsense. If you say I got myself involved on you people's shit, I am here for this purpose. Put it at the back of your mind. Water. Somebody will come out and be doing, excuse me, all sort of nonsense, thinking that it's their right to bully people. You sit down at a comfort zone. You don't know what to do. If you can't be jumping on top of trees and be doing all those your shit, must you go and be getting people's voice notes and be playing? I am going to sue you for that voice note. You did it to me before. Even if you're my mother and you recorded me without telling me, I am going to record you. As long as you will never hear me anywhere speaking about anybody, or I recorded the person and send it to another person, I will sue you. I just call my lawyers before coming on this program. I told them, somebody that recorded someone, this is the offense. The person that is playing it, this is the offense. All of us must go to court. And if you want to see what I will do to any other person, or where I will take the case to any other person, come out and said, label me a kidnapper just like Ogechi did. Label me a kidnapper for the second time. Let me sue you. I should stop explaining what I'm not explaining anything. If you don't want to be here, you go away. If they don't explain to you people will not know. This is why ignorance is disturbing many of you. You don't want to learn, you don't want to know. What I've learned, I have learned to know what I'm going to speak. I have learned my mistakes. I did some mistakes as well. I have learned. And this is what I want all of you. You learn from your mistake. All these things happening here. You mess yourself up on media. You go to police. You go to courts. Nobody will be there for you. Only the people that wants to be there for you. But all these people that will come and tell you, ride on, continue, they will not be here for you. So if you don't watch what you do to people, share this program. If you don't watch what you say to people at your comfort zone, you must be in problem. Look, anything you guys are doing to me, I will not get tired of this fight. That is number one thing I want all of you to know. As long as I'm living, I'm not going to get tired. All of you writing children rest in peace, we will all jam in court one day. It's a matter of all of you recording people, we will all jam in court one day. All of you sitting at your own comfort zone, labeling people what they did not, we will all jam in court one day. I will sit silent and be watching. You people will not expect me to be coming on and be talking about, just like Ogechi's case now. I know a lot of people want me to come and talk about how they arrest, where they got her, where the house they arrested her from. I refuse to send out even anything to anybody. And if she is the one, she will go and start getting videos, sending for people. Sending out and be gallivanting. But this is not my kind of person. That's what many wants to hear. It's my case. I was with her day before yesterday at the Interpol. But I've never come here since that day and like tell people this is it, this is where they arrested her, this is where they got her, this is it, this is that. Until she was there, till I came. They interviewed both of us. And even when the fortunate uncle was there talking to me, I'm like, okay, sir, let me just go home. I'll get back to you. So that we'll know. Before, we'll know how to sort some things out. But he still comes on his program, calling my name, allowing people to be bullying me on his platform, calling me all to Abuja. So what makes you think what your uncle told me, I will accept it? I hope your uncle send you the questions what I asked him to message you, to ask you 2 or 3 things. And I spoke to you, I asked you a question. Is this how you want the whole thing to be settled? By doing that? If you really come for settlement, there's a way you do things. Even after that, you caution yourself, you caution those people there. Hey, look, you people should mind how you talk here. What we want now is how to resolve things. Do you people think it's only me that Ogechi has case with her? It's not only me. She has with me, she has with many people, and all of us will jam in court. If anybody wants to come, you come. You don't want to come, you stay. With you, without you, case will go on. But if you're wise, you use this opportunity, whatever justice you're looking for, use this opportunity and come and get your justice, or go and look for your justice. So you guys should put it at the back of your mind. As long as you people are not going to stop, Mariam is not going to be tired on this case. I hear my voice note from anybody again. Wait for my suing. I will sue you. Just wait. Because You guys will like, when somebody tell you, this is it, how is it? You guys will always want to, okay, we want it sharp, sharp, we want to see it. Some of these things is not what you think. One after the other, one procedure to the other. After all, most of you are international citizens. That's why you can't see somebody that knows his left and right and be in Nigeria and be doing all these things. Nobody. If you're in Nigeria and be doing this to people, doing this and that to people, one day, your two hands, they will handcuff it. But if you're very far doing it, you still one day, you will come back to this country. Even if it takes 5 years, 10 years. Even if you come to this country hiding, the immigration will know that you are around. So for many of you that are there bullying people, who will take you to Interpol, who will take you to immigration? You can't say because I reside abroad, let me be doing things that is not proper. Everybody comment whatever you want to comment, but I'm going to pass this message. Call it ranting, call it whatever. Only when the time comes, then we will see. Nobody is going to chase anybody away from social media. We are here. Many people are here to market their business. Many people are here this is a place that is meant for people to come and do whatever they will do to be meaningful to themselves and to the society. That's why they created this. Not just a place you come and put pains on people and think is your right. Then you run away. You stay at your comfort zone and be talking nonsense. You cannot use your platform to talk about things that is not proper that is going on. Use your platform and solicit for money and be helping the less privileged. If you think you don't know what you're supposed to do. Many of you will call it ranting until all of you will be in courts. And that is the only language that will open you guys' ear and eyes out of this ignorance lifestyle many of you are living. Let me hear my voice notes with anybody. This is, on this Ogechi's case, this is how this person will call you. That person, I'm not picking you guys' calls. Even one was writing me yesterday, do you have anything to talk? I'm like asking her, have anything to talk how? Now I will talk to you. You ask me a question, I will talk to you, I will welcome you. The next thing you're recording. After recording, I don't even sometimes when you associate with people like this is what you get from them. Nothing but nonsense. Look at this one. They've been telling her, stop, 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 stop. Yes, some people will offend her. She will offend them too as well. But when you're doing things and it becomes too much of you, and it becomes your character, it becomes your person, definitely the law will come in. You guys don't want to go to the law. Why are you people afraid of the law? Why are you people afraid of the law? Share this program. Why are you people afraid of the law? You don't want to go to the law. You don't want to be meaningful to yourself. You don't want to stop some nonsense things. And you don't want to go to the law. You've played my voice notes before. I kept quiet. Now you're doing it again. If you think I'm involved on you guys' mess and nonsense, don't forget how I came in on this mess and nonsense. And this is why I'm here. To make sure that Ogechi goes to justice. And when she comes out, she will stop so many things. She's not going there to be harmed or to be killed or to be destroyed. No. Why I went there is for her to change on some things. Anybody that goes to the police or courts wants peace, wants settlement, wants peaceful atmosphere. I think she has talent that she can do so many stuff. But not, there are so many things that are wrong about her. So many things. And the same you that is here doing rubbish things, you still go to the courts of the law to defend yourself. So that when you come out from that journey to defend yourself, when you come to your program, when you sit in your home, then you'll be able to know what you say to the people. I know some people are here talking whatever they want to talk. You're free, write whatever you want to write, but it will not stop us from going to the court of law. You must spend money to hire a lawyer. You must transport yourself from any of the destination you are in this country to come to Abuja and go to courts. If you cannot defend yourself, we will get a car, we will pay for a car, then police will go and bring you by force. Then you go to the law, so that you will stop some things that you're doing that is not nice. This is the message I've come to tell each and every one of you. Whatever you're doing, we are watching. Anything you're doing that is not right, to make people go through pains, you must answer it. I am here to do this work. You must answer it. Don't say that we did not see anything. We did not see, we've not seen it, we've not seen it. It's on process. Everything is ongoing. Until you people will learn how to respect human beings and know that yes, there is law. So guys, please, I'm going to end this program. Okay, I'm done talking to each and every one of you. Get ready. You that is in London, when I say jumping from one tree to the other, you know I'm talking to you. You played my voice note before. You did it again. You've been doing it. This is the second time. You that recorded me, you have a case. If you said I came to your platform to come and air that record she was playing, bring the evidence of that video. Bring that evidence of that video where I was airing it on your program. Ogechi will be at her comfort zone, calling me all manner of names, insulting my mother, insulting my children, insulting the hell out of me, labeling me what I did not do. Then when I come to any platform to tell her, Ogechi, come back to Nigeria, let's go to court. You said, take me to court, I'm a kidnapper. Come to Nigeria, let's go to court. So, whereby I don't want to come out and do any program. So I should not go to any place that I feel like I want to go and write it. You've been saying this to me, saying that to me. You will do me this, you will use $1,000. Give the police. You not only who police, you call me here. But you saw me at the police. You're just looking at me like a film. She saw me at the Interpol. Honestly, she said she would beat me up. But she saw me at the Interpol. She was just looking at me. She was like, is this woman? I'm like, is this person? Nothing to even, no one would him massing or when he get motivate him to even take my eyes up and look at her twice. Because when you see her, you see that aggressive nature. You see how you see that ogogo okunuka in her. So I believe she has, when she saw my calm face, calm body, everything calm about me. I believe wherever she's standing, she will be like looking at me like a film. But seeing her, I have nothing to stare at her twice, because she's just looking that aggressive, like that it's just written all over her. So please, whatever thing you're doing, take note that yes, someday you want answer to it. Anything you say to anybody here today, at your comfort zone, you want answer to it. when I was coming around, commenting, sometimes, like, you are saying this to me, you are saying that to me. Come back. You guys target, you are one of us. She will call my name from January to December, telling me I will do you this. All of you are watching. All of you are seeing it. Sometimes I get it up to here. If I wish, like, okay, I want to end this thing out today, and decide to get anybody's platform and message her, okay, then why not come back? Come and do all those things to me. Let's go to court and settle this thing. Tomorrow you guys will like, okay, you're one of us doing this shit. How many times have you seen me on my program, putting on my phone to come and start bullying people's children, tagging them rest in peace, or insulting people? Do you see me doing that? So when people are doing that to me, then someday I decide to like go and watch on anybody's platform or use the platform and comment, okay, Ogechi, come, let's just finish this in once and for all. Tomorrow they will say you're one of us. You guys, I don't want to insult anybody because it's not part of me, but only the law will put all these things to stop. You don't tell me who to arrest or who not to arrest. You don't tell me that. Of course, Kingsley will be arrested. Is it only Kingsley's case? There are 3 of them, or 4. There are 4 of them, with Kingsley making 4. All of them will be with the Interpol. All of them. He must definitely come and prove whatever he said about me. And those hotels he mentioned, who will still, the authority will go there and watch their CCTV. So person, did you see this person? You guys don't know anything. By the time I'm done with all of you, under the court of law, next time, before you talk about anybody, you will reason. Before you lie against anybody, you will reason. The CCTV will watch and know so dates. Did they see any person like this in their hotel room or their hotel premises? Then the court will know. Of course, they will check. You are saying this about me, you're saying this about me. This hotel, in the history of this hotel, apart from maybe Transcorp, that yes, me and my children, we used to stay there. At my own time, we go there, we stay there. Okay, when you're seeing this face, who do you see them with? In the rooms of any room in Transcorp. This is who this is. This is the CCTV covers you until you enter your room. That is why when someone labels me that I came to Transcorp to come and kidnap her with kidnappers, I'm like, are you out of your senses? Don't you know that I have a cause to settle with you? And you have the right to even still call me on my phone. Stop calling me Nne. In as much as I've let go inside my heart, but then that does not mean I'm not stupid. I cannot remember. I cannot recall things that you did to me. Is a mark. Is a mark that can never go off my body. So you don't need to be calling me. Stop calling me because I'm not going to talk to you. I let go that I don't want us to go to authority for one reason known to me. And you know the reason. You know the reason. That's why I said we should not go to authority. But that does not mean I don't have something I don't have something that you did to me. For labeling me, I came to Transcorp to come and kidnap you. Transcorp that you cannot even, I don't even know how you people reason. You're in Transcorp, you can't even go into any room without their card. Then I walk. Okay, even if you have opportunity to go and press the lift and the lift open up for you, you can't go to any floor without the card. You have to use the card and put the card on the lift. Then the card you now press. You have to use your card. That card. When you press the card, then you now press the number of the floor you're going to. It will take you there. Or when the guest will come down by herself or himself to come and take you with his card. But you can't have any access to anybody. You can only have access to the reception. But you can't have then. Can Can someone write to me that I'm still on the camera? Am I still on? Can someone say yes or no? Can someone say yes, please? Because I don't know what is going on here. That's why I don't like doing live program. Can someone say yes? Okay, yeah, I'm still on. Thank you. So this is it. The way they will accuse somebody, they will sit at their comfort zone to make sure they destroy your reputation, to make sure they destroy your name. They will be happy. Hey, yes, let me destroy this person. You'll be happy you tag somebody gay. You'll be happy you tag someone's child. This person is a gay. And you sit there, you don't want to fight for yourself. Only to be talking rubbish things. And this child will grow up and see this thing in the nearest future. You dare not do this to my child, then I will keep quiet. Ogechi did it to my children. She labeled my children all sorts of things. I have never for one day talk about her child or her children. Where is she today? We are where we need to settle this once and for all. So same thing with you people. If you want to get justice for your children, so that tomorrow these children will be happy wherever they are. Nobody will be against them. Nobody will use this thing to torment them. Nobody will use this thing and like this is what people are saying against you. Stand up and fight. People cannot sit at their comfort zone just to make sure they destroy your name. They've done so many things to me. They will sit down at their comfort zone, labeling me a kidnapper. One does not even know what to say about me. She says I came to Transcorp to come and kidnap her on a live program. Just to ridicule me. Just to destroy me. And tomorrow you'll be calling me on phone. You want me to pick your calls? Look, I'm not this kind of person. There are things you do to me. I will set a boundary. For life, I don't have anything to do with you. Only when the authorities settle laws, then I myself will be free. My mind will be free. Will be at free. Because I know the law has come in between you and I. And this is what I will keep for my children. For the nearest future. Just like somebody will come and sit down and said, I took him to the hotel. I paid him money. And you think you will sit down at your own comfort zone. You will not dearly pay for this under the court of law. We must investigate this to the 2 hotels you people mentioned. Just to ridicule Mariam Justice. Just to make sure that, yes, you can't tarnish my image. You can't tarnish my name. You can't lie against me for nonsense. For your own selfish interest, for the discussion you had with someone. Then you sit down and be talking bullshit about me. Look at it. The camera is everywhere. If you think we are not going to authority, you're lying to yourself. Let me finish up whatever I'm doing. The people that knows that you and I are going to the authority. Ask intelligence caller. Intelligence caller was here when I was talking to my husband about this. Intelligence caller was on phone with me. My husband said all of you will come out and show him the hotel, the day, the number, the day we went inside those rooms. He said so. Ask intelligence caller. He's aware. I was talking to him on phone when I was with him on phone when my husband came in. And I started telling my husband about the case. Ask intelligent caller what my husband said. My husband said, you people will prove it. The room we entered, the CCTV, the capture, they will bring it out. And this is the only thing I will do for my children. To make sure tomorrow they will see it. And this is it, because social media never forgets. In the nearest future, again, some other people will talk, but when they come to talk it to my children will be like, hey, you dare not say this to my mother. You think it's all about arrest? You arrest somebody today now, tomorrow they bail him off, he comes out. But what we are talking about is court of law. Law. And that law will be the one to take you to prison if you're guilty. All of you, if you don't watch what you do, watch what you say, how you behave to people, how you treat people, you must definitely answer your questions under the court of law. Yes, Ogechi is my sister, she's my sister. We are all the same Igbos from Imo State. But when I gave her the audience through her mother, let's resolve this. When the mom called me, I overlook anybody. I overlook even these same people. These same people, you know, you guys the way you guys record people when you're having conversation with them. If this is how those people should be recording you, I don't know. And this is stupidity. These same people saying this and that now are the same people calling my phone to the extent I stop. This same lady who is labeling me all sort of nonsense with Kinsley. I stop responding to your calls when you keep telling me, Mama, don't leave her. Mama, don't leave her. Mama, do you want to leave her? From that day, that moment, I stopped picking your calls. When I told you I'm going to send money to Mariam, let her give her children, you said to me, no, don't send. Mariam is always, ego, every time, money. I'm like, Mariam with her own problem. I didn't. This is a girl, I invited her. You've been crying for many years. I gave her money for hotel. I took her for shopping. I took her to a restaurant. I bought gold for her. Only I told her, don't video my children. And with my children in the car, don't video my children because I'm going to sue you dearly. I cannot carry you in my car and tell you, drop your phone. No, I can't do that to you. Because I asked you to come. I brought you to this Abuja. I welcome you. I know that, yes, I asked you to come. I brought you. I need to look after you. I need to take care of you. I only ask you, put your petition and go back to your kids the next day. When I came, I gave you money for 4 days, 2 of you, in the hotel. You asked me, I asked you guys how much. You say 15,000. I paid in 60,000 for 2 nights. And I gave you some cash. I said, okay, you guys should hold this. You can use it. You hold this. Marabel, you hold this. You can use it and buy little something. But I promise you, tomorrow, I will come and take you out. Go and put down your statement. I gave you the contacts where you put down your statement, how they will pick you up. You want and put everything. I said, okay, so time, wait for me. I will come and pick you out for lunch. But next day, you should go. I took you for lunch. I took you to, you said me you didn't come with any clothes. I said, wow, you didn't come with any clothes. Why you're a woman? Give Putanjem. You didn't come with any clothes. I said, Marabe, I have a lot of clothes to give her. But I'm scared to give you my clothes. Maybe tomorrow somebody will come and collect my clothes. As if I knew all these things may happen like this. Someone will come and collect my clothes and use it. But I have a lot to give you, Nne. And my intention was to pile Ghana must go clothes for her. In fact, those Ghana must go are still down there. It's nothing. Anybody can. And it's nothing. I said, okay, let's go to the market. I went to the market. I got her 2 or 3 stuff. I said, oh, let's go home. Will you know your way? I get a car for her. She got a car. She left. I said, oh, tomorrow you're going. She said, no. That Interpol asked her to stay. I said, you're staying by? She said, yes. I said, why? She said, no. They asked her to stay. I said, oh, okay. Me, I've done my own. I have tried. I have done what I can do. And she did not see me. I only told her, Mbigala, when you're going, call me. Let me send you, transport to go. So after some days, she called me that she's going, and I'll send her transportation so that she can go. She got home, she started calling me after a while, one problem or the other, showcasing on internet. I'm like, "Nne, I don't need all these things. The most important, you have come to get justice for your children. Nne, any other thing, I'm not part of it. You guys should go there, settle, iron, whatever you want to do, go and do it. But you see this is it. We are done, we are done. The whatever you and I have had is done. We've done it, and you're gone. So whatever you people want to do it. It's no longer my thing." The next thing, I started hearing nonsense. How would the nonsense they are doing there? How is it gonna be my business? How is it gonna be my business? It's not supposed to be my business. Because I've done the best I can do. Because you've cried for many years, and I used this opportunity. And when you came, I did not abandon you. Even when I want to send you money for feeding, the same person, "No, sis, you spend money too much. Let me send this money. I should leave it. She will send it for her." So, why would you guys be bringing me into your mess just to tarnish my image? All of us must go to court. So please, you guys should take care of yourself and remain blessed, and watch what you speak to people. Watch what you say to people. I myself have learned my lesson. I know that there is court of law. And this time around, if Mariam wishes to still come and follow up her case, she's welcome under my care. And if you are here threatening Mariam that you do Mariam this, you do Mariam that, if anything happens to Mariam, I personally will sue you. I personally will take you to the authority. I personally will take you to your working place. So if you have anything to do with Mariam, it shouldn't be the threats, like Mariam coming to Abuja, the threats, all these threats or whatever. If Mariam wishes to come to Abuja, let her come. But Mariam, if you don't wish to come to Abuja, stay there your day. Nobody is forcing you. It's just a helping hand that you can tomorrow you will be happy. Oh, you will be happy. Nobody will use this thing and torment these children's life. And if you're coming to this Abuja, I promise you, get anybody you want to get the person and come with him. I'll put you to the best of place. I'll put you with that expensive to you. Will use your mouth and go and be telling them, "I'm in so place." So that is your business. And I'll get you a police that will guide you until you go to the park and enter car. Because you're coming, I'm inviting you. But if you don't want to come, you stay or stay. Nobody is forcing you. I'm just doing this to make sure that, yes, tomorrow everybody should know the way he treats each and every one of us. Everyone should know the way he do things. I don't know who is calling me, please. Please, the person that is calling should stop calling me. So, what I'm saying here is, I don't want all these threats. I don't want it. Because if Mariam wishes to come, let her come. But I don't want threats. Because this threat is so heavy. This girl may come inside Abuja now because I'm personally inviting her. If she want to come, let her come. If she comes inside Abuja here, something happens to her, the threat is so heavy that the world saw it. I want you people to learn. I want you people to understand. That is not everything you come on social media to be saying it. And for those of you saying that Mariam's case is important on this case, you are talking nonsense. Mariam's case is not important on this case. She is not important on this case. If she just want to get justice for herself, let her come. If she don't want to get justice, let her stay. So stop talking nonsense, because you cannot know what is going on this case. Even this Ogechi's arrest, if I did not tell one person that went and told the talkative, that the talkative now broadcast it, Nobody will know, because I was watching Fortunate and his group. They refused to say that Ogechi has been arrested, because I know when Ogechi was in that room, she was calling them. They refused to say it, and I stayed low. I papped low. I refused to talk from the time the arrest happened till when I disclosed it to my brother, intelligent caller. An intelligent caller knows who he told. Maybe that made have broadcast it, because I know Ogechi's people were just scam. So this is it. This is my case. And this case I've been battling for how many years? Somebody will sit at his own comfort zone and say that Ogechi case. Arrest. I'm not coming here to brag of anything. All I wanted is peaceful atmosphere. All I wanted is peace for you and I. If she comes out, let her do other stuff for herself. Even if she decides to bully someone and someone bullies her, but let there be limitation of everything. So whatever you do today, you will answer it tomorrow. If none of you see my efforts, the way I've tried to make sure that this place will be a sanity place for you and I know the fight I took upon myself. And I'm still doing the fight. Because this issue of tagging children rest in peace must stop. Any other thing is my own personal case with anybody. Just like these other people now. Because I said on this Ogechi's case, I don't want to have anything to do with anybody. I don't want case. Please, I beg you people. Everybody watch the live program I did. You people should leave me alone. Let me have my peace. I don't want this again. And before somebody will make me to go to authority with the person, it will be something that I need to protect myself and my interests. At the end of the day, they started again. By someone going to engage with them, that he has my this, he has my that. There are things I feel so even shy of mentioning. Forgetting that the things you mentioned, there are CCTV. You just sit down and cook up lies just to make the other person happy. And the person is busy recording you. The same recorder she recorded you, she recorded me. When we were talking about Ogechi Benko, what she did to me. All you guys will sit down and come to people, conversation, one thing that you'll be recording person. I will sue all of you. Put it at the back of your mind. We'll all meet in court. You guys should take care. I love each and every one of you. And all I want is a peaceful atmosphere. But whoever that does not want to listen, do what you're doing here. But in the nearest future, you answer to whatever you do. Anywhere we call you, you answer. As long as I did not talk to you on phone, we should go and harm or kill someone, or yes, Madam Court, of course. I am Madam Court. That's why I'm called Mariam Justice. I'm Madam Court. You sit at your own comfort zone. Somebody is labeling you all sorts of things. Because it's not you. You will not know the pains. Because it's not you. You will not feel it. Because it's not your brother. It's not your sister. Yes, Ogechi Benko recorded me. Even when I was fighting for her. She did it. I was even fighting for her. Then she recorded me. She went and gave it to people to play it. But that one I thought is gone. But when something keep repeating himself, I say, when something something bad for or was there omenana, there's a way they say it, I don't know, like when you keep doing something, it becomes part of you. So now they did it, the first one, they played, she played it, the same lady that brought it up played it. I let go, I kept quiet. And now she's repeating it again. And telling me that telling herself, I got that recorded, telling herself that this is when she called. So you have to prove that day. You have to bring out that video the day I called. When we see it in the court of law, then we know the day I did that call. or the person who recorded my conversation, when we must get to court. The day is coming. Except you will remain wherever you are. But as long as you come to Nigeria, justice must prevail. It's all about justice. If you don't want to hear about this justice, keep doing nonsense. If you don't want to go to justice, you amend your behaviors. Because most of you don't want the truth. That's why when you come to anything about the Igbos, in terms of the government, in terms of Nigeria, they have a lot of problems they are facing. Because Igbos, some of them, most of them, with their characters, it's only God that will look into it. It's only God that will look into it. But the best thing is this authority, the way we channeled it. You cannot expect me to come and sit down and be talking nonsense with you. You talk your jargons. You expect me to come and sit on live program with my integrity and be talking nonsense. No, it's not possible. My only power where they will settle you and I is the court of law. So you continue playing more voice notes like you promised yourself. More is coming. And put it at the back of your mind, whoever that we have case with her or him, under the court of law, international police, because you are an international citizen, your embassy must know about this. We will write to your embassy. It's a promise, and this is how the law works. That country you're living must know your offense. So you guys should go and call it ranting, call it whatever. You guys can be happy to say what you want to say, do what you want to do. But you will not be happy to listen to the way it is under the court of law. So you guys should take care. That is it. I'm done talking. If you have ear, you listen. If you don't have ear, it's your problem. But all I know, my case with Ogechi, we are on it. Justice will prevail. My case with other people who label me what I did not do, just to tarnish my image. I have 4 children. And somebody will sit and say, you have a wife, you're protecting your own wife. Because I gave you the privilege to come to me. Even when I asked you, the first time you started calling me, I hope they did not send you to me. Just because you live in Abuja here. You said no. I gave you the privilege to come to me. Then that gives you the right to go and start lying against me. While you know I'm innocent. While you know you lied. While you know you went extreme mile for your nonsense. And you have to pay for it. You have to dearly pay for it. Because men like you will judge you and show you how stupid you are. Somebody's wife. You have the mind. You see, because I gave you the privilege. I invited you to my children's party. The next thing, you pictured me and sent it out. So hotel. I can't remember when last I spoke to you in my life. I don't talk to you. I don't have anything to do with you. We don't have any discussion. We don't talk. Even before your father's burial, I stopped talking to you. But you come out here, you'll be telling people you spoke with me yesterday. You spoke with me day before yesterday. You spoke with me 2 days ago, and it's all lies. I don't talk to you. And some idiots will sit down. I'm sorry to say this on my phone, some idiots on my live program. Sometimes they will push you to do nonsense, but I'm so sorry about that utterance. And some of these people will sit down and be saying, she did it, she did it. The other guy among the 2 women, I don't have case with him, but the case there was, he put my picture. He was like, because the voice recorded is not included with him. You are and the 2 ladies are the ones that have issues. The voice record is not included with him. Share this program. Let the world hear this. The voice record is not included with him, but he was putting my picture and telling me this woman is she sleeps with men. He put it. And this is what I held on him. This is what I held on him. That's why he got involved. And the authority will ask him, why are you saying something that you're not sure? Why are you condemning this person? Why are you tarnishing my image? Then he has to pay for that. Or he go in for that. There is a law for this. There is a law for that. Or he served the sentence for that. Yes, he has it. Then let him bring it out. Let him bring it out and show it to the world or to the authority. Let him bring it out. Of course, when you take when you take a woman to the hotel, like he said, to go and do shit with her, you will definitely have her body. Let him bring it. And he has a wife. So please, no, you can't say I don't have issues with those ladies. Because you don't know anything. You're just talking on media, talking blah, blah, blah. But the judges, the lawyers, my lawyer, they knows. The law knows I have issues with them. The law knows I have issues with them. You people should stop saying all these things you're saying. Just listen to what I'm saying. Okay? And at this junction, I'm done talking to all of you. Whoever that has ear should listen. If I mention your name here, wait for my court suit. Sue, I will sue you. Just wait for it. It will come. Come out and make any video you want to make. But make sure that, yes, today you and I have issue to settle in the court of law. So I love you guys. And I will still remain your humble Mariam Justice. No matter what. Whatever they say about me, whatever they do to me, I am here. The more they keep doing those things to me they were doing before. Even when I wanted to like leave all this issue of Ogechi, the more she keeps bullying me, talking about when she goes back, she will destroy me, she will kill me, she will do this, she will do that. I say no. If we did not go to the court for them to settle this and tell her, leave this person alone, stay out of her life, stop calling her name. Stop threatening to kill her. Stop threatening to do her this. Stop threatening her when you go by, you do her this and that. No, there will not be peace. And this is where we are. So if you're calling me for this issue, take it out of court, take it out of where? No, I am not going to take it. I'm sorry. Because you guys were there. The last threat she made to me. You guys were there. The last thing she was telling me. So, Mr. Fortunate, please stop sending your uncle to me like you did. Because you never wanted this to end. You never wanted to help on this matter. If you wanted to help on this matter, when I kept quiet, when her mother called me, you should have helped on this and tell her, Nne, stop. Let this end. Please, move on. Do other things. You were there instigating, calling me one you robber, calling me one you na. You're happy, you have a wife, you have a children. If someone did that to your wife, will you be happy? Out of Igbo one name, and I decided to bring you close to me. So please, you guys should leave me alone. But if you say you don't want to leave me, I am 100% ready for any one of you that will come out to tarnish my image. So you that reside in London, I purposely came to give you this message and to talk about other things. Wait for my lawsuit. You've dragged me, you've pushed me, you've tried your best. I keep ignoring. I keep staying on my own. It's not enough for you. All you do is just to be calling my name on your voice notes, collecting people. People will come and record me. You that recorded me and give it to her. You have number 1 case with me. This is case 2. The more you play again, case 3. I will sue you in different courts in this Nigeria. And I will sue you in different states. When I get my child under the court of law. Next time, you will be very conscious of whatever you're doing. So guys, Take care of yourself and bye for now.